guys right. Okay, so I'm all ready. Hello my gems, happy Valentine Day. Welcome back to my channel. So this is Aditi Banik here. So today in this video we'll be creating this makeup look, and also I'll be discussing with you all my small Tinder journey. So let's get started without any further delay. I just washed my face. Now I'll be just putting this hairband ताकि बाल सामने ना आए. Begin with, I'll be just putting this aloe vera gel as a primer or base or moisturizer. Valentine's Day my gems, happy Valentine Day. So first of all, talking about my Tinder journey. Okay, so and back in 2018 it was, okay, when I went first in my college. I was having their partners, boyfriends, or whatever you can call it, but I was single. I was badly single, and you can understand I then found out this app name called Tinder. So then I just went there, and to start with I'm just concealing my eyes because मेरे आँख में बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क सर्कल्स है, तो कंसील करना इज़ वेरी नीडेड बिकॉज उससे मेरे आई शेडो ज़्यादा स्टिक करते हैं, ज़्यादा टाइम तक रहता है. इट गिव्स अ स्मूथ फिनिश, एंड ऐसा नहीं बस डार्क आइज में कुछ भी लाइट कलर दिखाई नहीं देता है, तो इससे कंसीलर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई डोंट नो मैं इतना एक्सप्लेन क्यों कर रही हूँ, बट इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू दैट. सो तो कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ दैट जब मैं अकाउंट ओपन की थी आई वॉज 17 ईयर्स ओल्ड. ओके, जस्ट 17. आई वॉज अबाउट टू गो 18 next year, or next year. I don't remember exact, but I was 17. I remember that. And it was Tinder has a criteria that you can only open your account if you're 18. Okay, so I need to do some jhol, and the jhol I did is that I mentioned 18 means मैं 2001 की जगह 2000 दी थी, तो 18 हो गया था. And then after a few days I got blocked by Tinder, so I cannot open that. And why it is because मैं अपने बायो में लिख दी थी I'm 17 एज में, ऐसे लिखी थी, माय नेम इज अदिति बनिक, माय एज इज 17 years old, but I just applied 18 but I'm 17. And then I don't know कैसे क्या चमत्कार हो गया, उनको ये पता चल गया, and of course they have the data in the back end. So मुझे नहीं लगा था उतना जल्दी कुछ पता चलने वाला है, but then उनको पता चल गया, and then I got blocked. कहानी ख़त्म. लेकिन ख़त्म अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, because I am a ढीठ. I am a genuine ढीठ. How can I let it go so easily? It was those same, okay? And I opened another account, and this time I didn't mention that I'm 17. And because I got succeeded in it. You can dab it with your fingers even. It will also do the same thing. I don't feel any difference. I do both. It depends on my mood actually. Another account on Tinder. There was a routine after the full day of college and coming back, and then studies and everything is completed. Before going to bed, I used to swipe 10 guys right. ठीक है, 1 घंटा देखती थी अगर if anyone swiped me right also. अगर हो गया, then if the guy started talking to me, but I have never initiated from my end. It's nothing about ego or something. Actually, I didn't know how to initiate. It was the thing, I didn't know how to message to that person. But सेंस भी नहीं कि मुझे सीखना चाहिए, बिकॉज जैसे एग्जैक्ट मैच होता था तो तुरंत ही मैसेज आ जाता था. ऐसा मेरे साथ हुआ है. आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग माई एक्सपीरियंस. तो उसके बाद क्या होता था, सॉरी आई जस्ट गॉट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. एंड उसके बाद बात होता था इफ आई डोंट लाइक द गाय एंड समथिंग, बस ख़त्म कहानी. फिर नेक्स्ट डे फिर नेक्स्ट 10 लड़के को स्वाइप राइट. There was nothing serious about it. I just wanted to spend my time because every time I used to see people and couples gossiping around me. Oh, so sweet, so sweet. But I just want to enjoy that feel. But now I feel that it's all bakwas. I wish I could tell that 17 years old Aditi that it's not. It's all shit. I don't know why I'm just concerning my eyes so much. One reason is that because once I get into my eyeshadows, I will not be talking. So I'm just concealing my eyes so that I can talk to you guys more. So after that, I think it's pretty much. I want that wing wala vibe, and without this, it's never gonna happen to me. I'm pretty sure about it. To talk about is all about interest and all those things. Nothing serious, nothing much. Because अगले सुबह मेरे को college होता था, तो I didn't used to pay so much attention to it. I was just like ठीक है, थोड़ा बात हो गया तो हो गया. मैं Tinder बस around half a month यूज़ की थी, सिर्फ 15 दिन यूज़ की हूँ, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं की हूँ. I just dropped my sponge, but I'll take it otherwise because मुझे भी स्टोरी टेलिंग करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. बस 15 दिन यूज़ की हूँ, तो 15 दिन यूज़ करने के बाद आई विल जस्ट टेल 15 दिन में क्या क्या हुआ है मेरे साथ। तो 15 दिन के बाद एक्चुअली आई गॉट बोर्ड अबाउट इट एंड आई वाज एग्जाम्स और देयर, मैं पढ़ाई था तो आई वाज जस्ट स्टूडियस गर्ल थी कि मेरे को पढ़ाई में इम्पैक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए कुछ भी, तो आई जस्ट लेफ्ट। सो दैट वाज माई शॉर्टेस्ट जर्नी of 15 days, but 15 days I enjoyed a lot. I went on Tinder dates. It was very simple. Actually, the guys with whom I went na was in my college only. Means not in my college, but I am doing diploma engineering, so they were in BTech. So that was so simple and so normal. So बहुत easy था. हम लोग के hostel के बाहर ही थोड़ा जाने के बाद cafe था, CCD था, तो I used to meet there only. My first date was with a guy who was very not so cute, who was such a boring person. I was just hating the vibe of that person because he was just telling me his bad stories. ऐसा हुआ था. I was just having my strawberry shake and just listening to his shit because I paid for it. Why I can't have it? I need to have it because it shit. He used to telling me कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था, मेरी ex ने ऐसा किया था. And then I became this. Why are you? And then he asked me, are you looking for a serious relationship or a casual? Bro, I was looking for a serious. Now if I think about it na, कि I was looking for a serious relationship in Tinder, I just laugh at myself. But at that point of time, I was looking for a serious relationship. Yes, I was. I just wanted to have that cute things, that cute coupley stuff. I want to enjoy that cute coupley stuff. But now I don't care about all this. With that time, when I was 17, I didn't know. I just wanted to enjoy that coupley wala thing. I'm just a photo freak insan, so I just wanted to get some cute coupley photos and then post it with writing my forever and all those stuffs. And just sounds crazy, but I was as crazy. So it didn't went pretty good. हम लोग ऐसे बैठे. I was just having my shake and he was just telling all the stuff. And he asked me about my things, where I study, what is my branch, and all those. And he said that he is looking for something casual. I'm not looking for something casual. I'm looking for something serious. And then he just laughed at me. You're looking for something serious? You're such a kid. I was like, ठीक है. I just said him ठीक है. And I came over and he was like, okay, if you ever think of me and all those stuff. But उसके बाद first we just ghost each other कि नहीं कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Then I'll come back to him after a while. Then my other date was with a bookish guy. He was such a bookworm and मुझे books पढ़ना उतना पसंद नहीं आता. He was doing शायद BBA or something and I was like, okay ठीक है, let's meet. And we met at CCD again. So I went there again and this time I didn't have a shake because last time shake पे था तो बर्बाद हो गया था. This time I had a drink. What is this drink called? I had a coffee. Yeah, I had a cold coffee. So that was it. Then we sat together and he was telling about me about books. कि चेतन भगत का ये बुक है, चेतन भगत का वो बुक है, मैं ऐसा हूँ, मैं वैसा हूँ. And I don't like guys who just flaunt about themselves. Such a cute gesture about me, but vibes match नहीं हुआ bro. Vibes match नहीं हुआ. When we came over, he used to call me and all those shit things happened. I genuinely wanted relationships at that point of time, but not that will be impacting my studies because I was really career oriented person. I am career oriented person till now even. I was nahi, I am and I will be even. So I just told him कि no, it was not happening and all those stuff that I blocked him. Then इसका कहानी खत्म. And after a few days, they called that guy with whom I had the shake. He messaged me, hey, is this here? Hello, Aditi. And I was like, hello. And I forgot about him, of course. एक दिन का कौन ही इतना याद रखेगा. I forgot about him. Then he said, oh, we met in CCD. Then I was confused again. Then I met two guys. Then I saw his DP. Then I realized, no, it was that first one. Then I am looking for something serious. I feel, and he said to me that I am looking for something serious, and I feel the vibe that we can meet again and date, and I'll be serious this time, and I'm not looking for something casual. I'm looking for something serious. And but till उतना तक मुझे उसका इंटरेस्ट भी चला गया था, सब कुछ चला गया था. There was no point of taking this anymore. It's really difficult for me to go in a ride because if I'm going with a ride with someone, I need to feel safe. I need to trust that person. I need to have some connection. Just 2 दिन का बात हुआ, 3 दिन में ride, no, it's not my time. ट्रेलर्स कि मैं अपना आई मेकअप भी खत्म नहीं किया, मैं आधा कहानी तो बोल ही चुकी हूँ. उतना से भी बात हुआ, उतना कुछ खास नहीं हुआ था. It was full normal कि ठीक है, हाँ, hello, this and that. Very selective with the boys I talk because I need to have the vibe that he's gentle, he is good looking, he is handsome. I need to have all those vibes. Otherwise, I won't talk to you because if and then I go to a relationship with that person is totally fine. But if you're a totally unknown person, I need to see some things, right? So why this always happened to me? At this end point, I lost my sponge. Now I'll be blending foundation using my brush. For the very first time I'm doing that. Very first time. I've never used my brush to blend my foundation because I feel if I do this I'll end up looking like a cake. So, but still, as I don't have an option, but I still want to complete the video because my exams are near and I want to go and study. But how can I miss my YouTube video? No, I can't. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. I am posting videos every Sunday. First of all, I thought I'll post videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. But then I realized कि नहीं bro, मेरे से नहीं होगा उतना. So I switched to Sunday. मैं पहले भी बस Sunday को ही करती थी तो then again. So kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that we stay connected. And I keep feeling blessed for having you here every Sunday. Or every time I post a video. I just don't want to lose you. To not a surprise, I forgot to apply my eyeshadow in my inner line. Basically, we should do it before applying the foundation, but as I forgot, I don't have any other option. And I can even skip it now, but since I don't apply eyeliner and kajal, so it is very important, I feel. मुझे जलन होता है. I don't know why I'm getting. I have used 2 eyeliner, दोनों से मेरे ऐसा ही हुआ है. I don't know when I will get my dream eyeliner. मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा. Mascaras are everything. I use natural mascaras. I've also made a video how you can use your aloe vera gel as a mascara. I'll link that in the description box or in the I button. Don't forget to check that out. That's pretty it. If you want to bake your face properly, you need to wait for 5 minutes. Since I am very lazy in waiting and I don't like waiting, I just wait for some seconds and then just stop. And since it's a Valentine Day, we just need to blush. अगर हंसी ना भी आए तो it should look like you're blushing from inside. It's very important. For my favorite part, that is the highlighter. I feel it does a pretty good job to sure now. Even highlighter does all the magic. I just love highlighter. Now the star of the makeup is a lipstick always, and since it's Valentine Day today, I'll go for a ready look. It's the Purple Milice in the shade Hookup. Wait, my first hookup. I've never done a hookup, so don't get into it, deep into it. Setting powder. As we are done with the lipstick and the makeup part, it is time to add some minimal jewelry. So I'll be adding this. No, मेरा कभी-कभी ये सब थोड़ा glossy लग जाता है. I don't know why, but I think it's all because of the lip balm. I just love my earrings. It's a minimal one but still looks elegant and beautiful. I just love it how it looks. So I'm all ready to go nowhere for a Valentine, but I'm having you all as my Valentine this year. We have come towards the end of the video. If you have like anything about the video, kindly hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that we stay connected. And I post videos every Sunday. So and I try to post more even, but eventually Sunday is fixed. बाकी कभी भी दिन हो सकता है, but Sunday is fixed. That's it. So see you again. Ta-da!